Life is too short to just wake up, go to work, come back and sleep.
Kalau macam setiap hari kamu buat benda yang sama, macam kosong pula. Saya bekerja sebagai storekeeper. Kalau saya sudah kerja penat, memang mau balik ke rumah, mau rehat. Tidak mau sudah pikir lain-lain.
All parents is sick, so he always go to the hospital to take care of them. But he always say that the choir is a place where he can release his tension.
Yeah. Everybody has their own challenges in life, and we as fellow friends try to at least help Paul to sort of like forget his challenges and be happy with our choir.
When he first started join, the voice is very small, you cannot hear. But after years and years, even he talk small, but we can hear what he's saying.
He doesn't talk a lot, but his presence make us complete because he is one of us.
My darling, darling, sa, my darling, darling, my darling, darling, sa, my darling, darling.
Impian Paul ni untuk datang ke KL lah, bersama Maleficent untuk buat persembahan di depan audiens yang besar.
Perasaan saya adalah sangat bangga sebab persembahan kami tidak pernah dilihat oleh begitu ramai.
It's one of my best experience to be here.
We never perform so close with the audience like that.
Itu audiens pun sangat sporting. Dia sama-sama bernyanyi dengan kami. Rasa sungguh gembira.
Ramai yang memang belum pernah nampak that kind of performance tu. Jadi memang bila tengok sambutan yang luar biasa tu pun kita pun memang rasa sangat bangga dan juga terharulah.
Apa kabar orang KL? Kami ada bawa buah tangan untuk orang-orang Bukit Bintang. I formed this team to somehow feel the missing joy in me. And at the end of the day, we realized that we only human that share the same passion.
Saya berbangsa Sino Murut,
Kadazan,
Cina. Dusun Labuk Murut, Penom.
Dusun,
Kadazan Dusun.
Kadazan,
Saya berbangsa Bajau.
Malaysia have different race living in harmony. So to be able to perform to our fellow Malaysian is something that I am very, very proud of. It means everything.
terima kasih kepada Petronas kerana telah merealisasikan impian saya dan kumpulan choir saya untuk membawa kami ke KL dan membuat persembahan di sini.
We are crazy people. We are not normal. But the best thing is we are living our dreams. So don't you forget that. Jangan lupa benda tu lah.
The Maleficent are so flattered to be chosen to be one of the 50 Dreams recipient and provide a platform for Paul to be happy and to fulfill his life. Thank you so much, Petronas.
50